Hey everyone, and welcome back to another vlog. I didn't think I was going to actually vlog today, but I've decided to because I've been doing quite a few things this morning and I thought I'd have a little chat about it, and I thought you might be interested. So this morning I went for a forensic toxicology talk. It was optional. So we didn't actually have to go. There wasn't actually that many people that turned up, which was quite sad because I felt really bad for the guest speaker. I'm going to turn my thing off so it's on mute so it doesn't keep interrupting me. But yeah, it was so cool. A guy came over from Kansas, from America, if you're not familiar with the state there, and he works in the forensic toxicology department in Wichita, which is like a big city in Kansas that he lives in. And yeah, he's involved in all the forensic toxicology stuff, so drug testing in driving and stuff, and everything he said was just so interesting. I'm excited to have a read up about that. I have a massive forensic toxicology and medicine book that I actually bought from a charity shop here in Lincoln because it was only £3 and it's literally like this thick, and it would have been like, I think I searched it up and it was like a £90 book, so I decided to pick that up just in case I ever wanted to like read up behind my subject. But yeah, he actually really interested me and he was really funny and like genuine, and he'd been working for 33 years, so he was so knowledgeable, and he was just telling us some stories and things about his department and what he's worked with over the past 33 years in forensics. And yeah, it was just really interesting to see an American's perspective, and he was just really funny. Like, he was saying that he was trying to like pick up the lingo here and how America's so different and everything. Yeah, it was just really nice to have a guest speaker, and I loved his accent. I love the Southern American accent so much. Like, I just thought I'd start vlogging because that happened, and I thought I'd just tell you a little bit about it. And it was really interesting just finding out about like how they test for drug driving and drunk driving in America, and similar techniques that they use over here. I also went to pick up the mail, and oh my god, I had the heaviest package ever. I brought it back, like honestly, I bet someone was watching me at my flat door like, what is she doing? Because I had like like a tube, this tube, like in between my legs trying to get my key out, whilst I had like 4 parcels like piled up. It was just mental, and the bottom parcel was so heavy because it was full of milkshakes that this company had sent me. Right, so the parcels that I got, one was from Coconut Lane. It's this bracelet that I've had to have sent 3 times because it keeps breaking, but I love it so much that I just keep wanting it. So it's this like gorgeous black band bracelet, but it does break very easily. It's broken twice on me now, which is awful. What else did I get sent? Oh, this new book, which I'm so excited to read. As I said, I'm getting into like book blogging, so I'm going to be reading this. This is again like a sort of crime. It's a bit of everything. It was talking about house parties and stuff, and it's following like 5 different people's lives. So yeah, I'm going to be reading this. I don't know when I'm going to post this yet. Excited about that. And what else did I get? Oh yeah, my mum sent me my gift cards, bless her, because I stupidly left them at home. So she sent me my Paper Chase and Next gift cards, so I'm excited to go and actually shop, where I actually have a voucher to use. Because I don't have money. Oh yeah, I'm currently editing I'm currently editing my Valentine's gift card, which is going up tomorrow. It is a giveaway and also a gift guide, so I'm currently editing on this app now. I've just downloaded it. It's called Photo Editor, I think that's how you pronounce it. But yeah, I'm using this currently to edit, and then I'm going to I'm going to show you what I got sent from Shake and Udder. Wait one second. So yeah, I thought I'd come to the kitchen and show you what I got from Shake and Udder. They sent like a big crate. It was really weird and it was like hard to open, but they sent me so many milkshakes. They're so good. Look, oh my god, my fridge is full of them. So I have 2 of each of the flavours that they've sent me. So this is Vanilla-licious. So there's a vanilla one. Let's look at the ingredients. So it's made with real vanilla beans, milkshakes with no artificial colours, flavours or preservatives, gluten-free, suitable for vegetarians, B12 for natural immunity support, less than 5% added sugar, good source of calcium. Yeah, they're just really good. So there's vanilla ones. I'm really excited to try out this one here. I'm pretty sure it's the banana flavoured one, yeah. Banana flavoured milkshakes are my favourite. So yeah, situation they sent me, I think there's 2 vanilla, 2 banana, 2 strawberry, 2 chocolate, and 2 salted caramel, which I'm so excited to try. But yeah, they've taken up most of my shelf on the fridge. I've heard so many people talk about almond milk, and I think I'm going to buy some myself because it lasts so much longer. That's the current situation. I had pasta for lunch. I didn't wake up in time for breakfast because I got to sleep at 4:30. The winds last night were crazy. I was up, I remember messaging the others at 4:30 being like, can you hear the wind. Can't even explain. The wind was insane. It was like bashing against my window, and I actually thought my window was going to cave in. It was that like vigorous. There's like plants outside of our flat, and the roots were being pulled up, and I thought it was going to like take the whole thing out. The winds were crazy. And then I looked on the weather app at about 4:30 last night, and it said that there were really high winds, and there was like was it a yellow weather warning? It was some sort of weather warning about high winds in Lincoln during the early hours of the morning, and I had happened to suffer because there's quite like an open space outside my side of the my side of our apartment, so the winds, I don't know, it just seemed to affect me a lot more. And it was the windows are so thin, like I can just hear everything outside. It was a Wednesday night as well last night, which meant quack, so everyone was going out, the student night. So yeah, it was just really loud, and I had a shit night's sleep. So I slept in, had sleep for breakfast, and then I had pasta for lunch. I'm so excited for dinner later though, because I think I'm going to have one of those milkshakes for my dessert. I'm going to carry on editing my photos and writing my blog post. But yeah, I just thought I'd have a chat with you this morning because I went to that forensics talk, and it was really interesting to encourage people to actually go to things that are optional, because it could benefit you, because it really interested me. I didn't think I would be as interested as I was in forensic toxicology, because I'm more interested in crime scene investigation and the anthropological side of things rather than toxicology. But it did really interest me, and it's also nice to have some like background knowledge and from an expert. So yeah, if your university offers optional talks or guest speakers, go and support them. It's really nice to go and see what people do for a living, because it might actually surprise you, and you might be more interested than you thought, and you could completely take a different path than you wanted to. Yeah, I just feel bad for like guest speakers that come, especially from like Kansas, like that's so far away, and only about 20 people showed up, whereas there's like 50 something people on my course, and there was clearly people from other years. And yeah, I just felt bad for him, and I think people should take more opportunities that they're given.
Us we steal from the night sky will never be enough.
So I've been lying in bed because I'm so exhausted. I've taken all my makeup off, and I'm just gonna sit and chill and watch some YouTube videos before Megan comes round. I just thought I'd say, I don't want to sound like because I don't know, I just seem to have got a lot of hate today, and no, not specifically hate, but a lot of people like commented on my life in yesterday's vlog. I think it's because, let me just say, I've had to basically delete lots of comments because they were getting me down and they were quite negative. I have kept a few up because I do understand that people were trying to be constructive. Like, they were just telling me, I think quite a lot of you guys were trying to be constructive and trying to help me out, but I think people like judge too quickly. And I don't want to, I'm not saying that's a bad thing, because I completely understand if you thought that I was doing something wrong or you could help me out or whatever, but I don't know, I think like because people didn't see like the whole side of the story. I'll explain one of the comments that I've kept, because I like the girl was genuinely being like trying to help me out, I can tell. It's the whole healthy eating thing basically. I'm deciding that I'm not going to share anything else that I'm eating on my videos because it seems to like trigger people in today's vlog. I will still share like food hauls, but I don't really want to share what I eat ever again because it just seemed to generate a lot of controversy that I can't really take, because I'm just like feeling a bit like worn out recently, and I don't know, it's just getting me down. So I've had to remove the comments so I didn't keep staring at them and being sad. But yeah, I think it was just a misunderstanding, and I'm generally quite a sensitive person, but I don't know, I've had to remove quite a few comments. If the comments still up, it's fine. Like, I haven't taken offence, it just like upset me because people quite jumped to conclusions quite a lot. I just wanted to say that I don't think I'm going to be sharing any of my food things because no one's ever happy. Like, I don't know, I don't think people are happy with, I don't know. Anyway, I just want to clarify that I'm eating healthier than I normally would. It doesn't mean that I'm not eating anything bad at all, because I wouldn't be able to do that. Like, I love sweet things, like that's my temptation and stuff. Like, so an odd evening I'll have a hot chocolate or like a sweet or a little chocolate there. It's not, I'm not cutting everything out. I'm not coming like completely healthy. I'm just having a healthier lifestyle and like reducing the amount of fat that I'm eating. But yeah, I just think people got a little bit confused in yesterday's vlog and took things the wrong way. But I think I've taken some of the comments the wrong way because I am very sensitive, like I said. But yeah, I just don't want to offend anyone. I'm just saying I just don't really want to share anything again because people seem to like go a bit crazy. But some people would genuinely help me out. Like, I don't want to, I don't know. It's quite a difficult thing to talk about, but I'm just going to carry on watching some YouTube and chilling because I'm just in a low mood and I just need to pump myself up again. I'm going to watch some of my favourite YouTubers and then get out of bed and make dinner. Right, so it is a lot later now. We watched the recent episode of Riverdale, which was awful. But we just watch it because it's addictive and it's just like crappy like teen drama, I guess. I don't really know why we watch it, to be honest, because we always complain, we're like, nothing makes sense, it's so stupid, but yeah. Then we watched some more episodes of Luther, obviously. Obsessed. I think I'm gonna read now for the rest of the evening. I'm sad because I don't have any pre-filmed videos because I've got them all scheduled. I've like been editing. I edit constantly and then I get sad because I don't have any videos to edit in the evenings just before I go to bed. But yeah, so I think I'm going to have a filming day tomorrow or someday this weekend. I think I'm going to have a little bit of a detox from vlogging just because, I don't know, I just feel like people are taking things the wrong way recently. I don't know. I don't want to stop vlogging, obviously, but I just feel like I need a little bit of a break because some of the comments today got me down a little bit. But yeah, I'm fine about it now. I've got it. Loads of people have been so supportive, like always. Like the people who are so nice always outweigh the people who are negative on my videos. They're so lovely. I've literally been getting so many lovely Instagram DMs tonight. So thank you very much if you did DM me. I appreciate you all and you mean so much. Head over to my Instagram. It's a perfect time to plug it. Head over to my Instagram and talk to me because I love chatting to you all over there and like interaction on Instagram. Instagram is one of my, well, to be fair, it used to be one of my favourite apps. It's not so much anymore because the algorithms made everything really weird, and barely anyone sees my posts anymore. Not that I care about likes, it's just there's no, like, I don't know, I just feel like I always upload a photo, usually with like a caption about what I've done in the day and asking people questions, and like it doesn't get much engagement, like people commenting back and having a chat. I don't know, but it's good for like DMing because a lot of people contact me through there to have a chat or whatever. So yeah, go follow my Instagram if you want to chat. Thank you very much for all your support and I will see you very soon for a brand new vlog. Hit the thumbs up if you did enjoy it, subscribe down below if you're new, and I will see you at the weekend, hopefully, because I'll vlog at some point. And if not, then I'll see you very soon. Night.